Welcome, here I've got Motorola Moto G30 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we pick it, we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's slide a little bit down to the save settings category, and here we have save location option. So it allows us to save the information about the place where we take a picture in the details about it. By using this button from the right, we can turn it off and turn it on as we need. And here also the important thing is that to make it work correctly, when we want to save the actual location of our photo, we have to be connected with the internet, for example with the Wi-Fi or the mobile data, and we have to turn on the location of this device. So remember about these two parameters, the location and the internet, to make it work. Now let me keep turning on all of these settings. Let's go back to the camera and take a picture. To see it, let's move to the right to this button that follows us straight to the gallery, and this is it. And to check the location of this picture, we have to just simply slide a little bit down. And as you can see here, we get access to more details with the map and the full address. So greetings from Kraków, Poland. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.